Welcome to the Mathematics MI channel. In this video, we are going to solve another interesting question. Infinite series n is equal 0 to infinity gamma of n plus 1 times gamma of n plus 1 over n plus 1 times gamma of n plus m plus 2. Okay, how to begin? Okay, first of all, we can see the relation between gamma function and beta function. So we know beta of xy is equal to gamma of x times gamma of y over gamma of x plus y. So we can write now here our series 0 to infinity. Now gamma of n plus 1 times gamma of n plus 1 over gamma of sum of n plus 1 plus n plus 1. We know beta of xy. So instead of xy we have n plus 1 and m plus 1. So we can write now here beta of n plus 1 comma m plus 1 over n plus 1. Okay, then here beta function we can represent by as an integral. So we can write 0 to infinity. Now here n plus 1, so 1 over n plus 1. Instead of beta function we can write integral 0 to 1 here t to the n times 1 minus t to the m dt. Okay, then we can switch the sigma notation and integral sign. So we can write integral from 0 to 1. Now 1 minus t raised to the m power sum of 0 to infinity here t to the n, so t to the n over n plus 1 dt. Okay, then here integral from 0 to 1 minus t raised to the m. Now I'm going to change the index, so we can write here n is equal 1 to infinity. Now here 0, now 1, so we should apply n minus 1 for n. So here we have t raised to the n minus 1 over n dt. Okay, then we know natural log of 1 minus x is equal to minus infinite sum 1 to infinity x to the n over n. So now here we have t to the n minus 1. So if we divide it by x, we will have here integral from 0 to 1 here 1 minus t to the m. Now instead of this series we can plug in minus natural log of 1 minus x over x. So we can write here natural log of 1 minus t over t, here minus sign, so here minus sign dt. Okay, now we have another interesting integral. So what's the next step? Okay, now we know this property of integration. Integral from 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral from 0 to a f of a minus x dx. We know King's rule. So now we can write this is equal to minus integral from 0 to 1, sorry, minus integral from 0 to 1. Now 1 minus t, 1 get cancelled, so here we have t raised to the m power natural log of t over for here 1 minus t dt. Okay, then I think this integral is familiar with you because we know the integral representation of trigamma function. Trigamma of z is equal to minus integral from 0 to 1 x to the z minus 1 over 1 minus x times natural log of x dx. Okay, now instead of c, if we take 1 plus c, now trigamma of 1 plus c is equal to minus integral from 0 to 1, here x to the z natural log of x over 1 minus x dx. So now we have t to the m natural log of t 1 minus t, same integral. So we know this is equal to trigamma of 1 plus m. Okay, this is the answer. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.